Geography. Pakistan is located in South Asia and has a total land area of approximately 796,095 square kilometers, 307,374 square miles. It is bordered by India to the east, Afghanistan and Iran to the west, China to the north, and the Arabian Sea to the south. The geography of Pakistan is diverse, ranging from the fertile plains of Punjab and Sindh to the rugged mountain ranges of the Himalayas and Karakoram in the north. The country also has vast deserts, such as the Thar Desert, and a coastline stretching over 1,000 kilometers, 620 miles, along the Arabian Sea. Population and culture. Pakistan is the sixth most populous country in the world, with an estimated population of over 225 million people. The population is ethnically and linguistically diverse. The largest ethnic groups include Punjabis, Sindhis, Pashtuns, Balochis, and Muhajirs. The majority of the population practices Islam, with Sunni Muslims being the majority. Pakistan has a rich cultural heritage that encompasses a blend of various regional influences, including Persian, Arab, Central Asian, and South Asian traditions. The arts, literature, music, and dance play significant roles in Pakistani culture. Languages. Urdu is the national language of Pakistan and is widely spoken and understood throughout the country. However, Pakistan is linguistically diverse, with numerous regional languages being spoken. Punjabi, Pashto, Sindhi, and Balochi are among the prominent regional languages. English is also used in official, educational, and business settings, and is widely spoken by the educated population. History. The region that is now Pakistan has a long and complex history. It has been inhabited since ancient times and has been part of various empire and civilizations, including the Indus Valley Civilization, Mauryan Empire, Gupta Empire, Islamic Caliphates, Delhi Sultanate, Mughal Empire, and the British Raj. The partition of India in 1947 resulted in the creation of Pakistan as a separate homeland for Muslims. Since then, Pakistan has experienced political transitions, periods of military rule, and regional conflicts. Landmarks and tourism. Pakistan is home to several historical, cultural, and natural landmarks that attract tourists from around the world. The ancient city of Mohenjo-Daro in the Sindh province is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and provides insights into the Indus Valley civilization. The Lahore Fort and Badshahi Mosque in Lahore showcase Mughal architecture. The northern areas of Pakistan, including Gilgit-Baltistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, are renowned for their stunning mountainous landscapes, including the Karakoram and Hindu Kush ranges. Places like Hunza Valley, Nanga Parbat, Fairy Meadows, and Swat Valley are popular destinations for trekking, mountaineering, and adventure tourism. Pakistan is also known for its rich Islamic architectural heritage, with notable sites like the Shah Faisal Mosque in Islamabad and the Wazir Khan Mosque in Lahore. Cuisine. Pakistani cuisine is known for its bold flavors and rich culinary traditions. The cuisine is influenced by various regional and historical factors. Staple foods include wheat-based bread, such as naan, roti, and paratha, rice, lentils, vegetables, and meat, particularly chicken, beef, and lamb. Popular dishes include biryani, a fragrant rice dish with meat and spices, kebabs, karahi, halim, nihari, and various types of curries. Pakistani sweets, such as gulab jamun, jalebi, and barfi, are also widely enjoyed. Challenges. Pakistan faces several challenges. Poverty, inequality, and a high population growth rate are significant issues.